Good morning guys, welcome back to Hammy Reacts, and today we've got another unboxing video for a Funko. This one hasn't come in the post, so I'm not going to be unboxing it from its parcel box. It's just one that I have here. And today we've got another Spider-Man one, of course, because my collection is a Spider-Man collection, with Miles Morales. I think this is from the video game, yep, Gamerverse. It's from the video game, or computer game, whatever you like to call it. And I haven't actually played the game myself. I've played bits of it, but I haven't managed to play the whole thing. I don't have a PS5 at the moment. Still trying to get a hold of one. We all know how difficult they are to get a hold of. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Let's see what other versions we get first. Yeah, we can get the classic one. I do like his classic suit. I don't really know much about the other suits that he's got. Actually, I really like the winter suit that he has in the game as well. That's kind of the only suits I've seen so far. My thoughts on Miles Morales: I think he's fine. I've liked Into the Spider-Verse quite a lot. I didn't really think it was amazing, and like, I don't know. It took me a while to kind of catch on to the hype there, and I didn't think it was like, I didn't get the hype to begin with, and I thought it was a fine Spider-Man film. The animation's cool and stuff, and all that kind of thing. But this is about the Funko Pop today, so let's get cracking with that. Maybe I'll talk about my thoughts on Miles Morales later on. I do just prefer Peter Parker as Spider-Man, but that's just me. So let's crack this open. Oh wow. Just bring it into shot here. It is really cool, actually. Of course, it's another bobblehead. I love the way they've done the webbing. I absolutely love that. I need to be careful with these bases. One of the other Spider-Man ones, the base cracked off, so it's just perching on my bookshelf. But yeah, I really like this. I like the detailing on the suit there. This actually looks like quite a cool suit. I'm looking forward to seeing this in the game or some films. We've got him perched. You've got him holding the web there. I like the fact that it's a hoodie. One thing I will say about Miles Morales, he is very distinctly different from the Peter Parker Spider-Man, which I do like. But yeah, there we have it. Really like this part here. I'm not sure if you can see that in the video. The belt. I love the detailing here. The shoes look quite good as well. Yeah, I mean, I'm quite of a traditionalist in the sense that I do love just the classic red and blue Spider-Man suit from Peter Parker, but these ones are beginning to grow on me. Yeah, we've got the cool eyes, the webbing, all looks pretty cool. Looks pretty good. I think this is going to make a great addition to the collection. Once the collection grows a bit, I'm going to maybe do a video on the whole collection. But yeah, I think this is a welcome new addition to the collection of Spider-Man Funkos. Well guys, it's just a quick video today, a quick unboxing. But if you like the content on the channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And happy holidays. Bye.